Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Bsc Nursing previous year question paper, Nursing Research and Statistics from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. So, I am going to discuss 17 previous year question paper with regard to the subject Nursing Research and Statistics. Already, we have posted many question paper related videos. You can watch our channel playlist for more videos. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. So some question papers you may not have adequate clarity. So to rectify it, each and every question paper I am going to read it so that it will be better for the viewers to take the questions. So the question paper code is 346. The general instructions first I will tell. So this is for fourth year Bsc Nursing program. But in future the Nursing Research and Statistics subject will be in third year as per new INC regulations. So the Nursing Research and Statistics June 2016 question paper we are going to discuss. So there will be part A, which is Nursing Research, and part B is Statistics. Part A Nursing Research is for 50 marks and part B Statistics is for 25 marks. You should write part A in separate answer booklet and part B in separate answer booklet. You should not mix and write. If you are going to mix and write part A in part B and part B in part A, your answers will not be evaluated. Okay. So in nursing research, essay. So essay they will be giving 3 essays. You have to write 2 into 10, 20 marks. Whereas short notes they will be asking 4 short notes to write out of 6. Out of 6 you have to answer 4. 4 into 5, 20 marks. Then brief answers 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 marks. This is with regard to part A. And part B statistics, it is for 25 marks. Essay out of 2 you have to write 1, that is for 9 marks. Then short notes out of 4 you have to write 2. 2 into 5, 10 marks. And brief answers you have to write all the 3 into 2, 6 marks. So this is general, so I am not going to repeat in each question paper. Just I will read the questions what have been asked under each session. So this is June 2016 question paper. Write an essay on any two of the following. First essay is in nursing research part A. Explain the methods of sampling with example. Second question, explain the questionnaire methods of data collection. Third question, explain the experimental research design. Short notes. Fourth question, explain pilot study. Fifth question, explain reliability methods. Sixth question, observation method. Seventh question, explain selection of problem statement, characteristics of good research, explain report writing. Next, brief answers, enumerate the advantages of non-experimental research. 11th question, list the steps of scientific research. 12th question, define validity. 13th question, list the types of hypothesis. 14th question, list 4 importance of nursing research. Next is part B, that is statistics, 25 marks. 15th question, essay question is chi-square test. 16th question is independent t-test. Then short notes, 17th question is kurtosis and skewedness. 18th question, measures of central tendency. 19th question, SPSS package. 20th question, explain levels of measurement with example. Levels of measurement is nothing but scales of measurement. Next, brief answers, define ANOVA, that is analysis of variance. 22nd question, enlist the types of frequency polygon. 23rd question, how will you calculate standard deviation? So this is June 2016 question paper. Next we will move on to November 2016 question paper. So part A, nursing research, which is for 50 marks. Here essay question, discuss review of literature. Second question, enumerate data collection methods, explain interview method and explain survey method in detail. Third question, list non-experimental research design. Next, write short notes on any 4 of the following. So fourth question is explain variables. Fifth question, characteristics of good problem. 16th question, importance of computers in nursing research. 17th question, pilot study. 7th question, pilot study. 8th question, probability sampling. 9th question, ethics in nursing. 10th question in brief answers. Next is brief answers. 10th question, enumerate types of hypothesis. Define reliability. 11th question is define reliability. 12th question, list the importance of informed consent. 13th question, define type 1 and type 2 error. 14th question, name 4 theories in nursing. In statistics, 15th question, uses of vital statistics in nursing research. 16th question, non-parametric test. 17th question, correlation coefficient in short notes. 17th question is short notes. Correlation coefficient. 17th question. 18th question is sampling bias. 19th question, mean, median and mode. 20th question, regression. Next is write brief answers of the following. 2 marks. 21st question, enlist types of bar diagram. 22nd question, define cumulative frequency. 23rd question, define standard error. So this is November 2016 question paper. Next is June 2019 question paper. So first is nursing research. So nursing research 50 marks. Write an essay on any two of the following. First question is explain the steps in research process. Second question, define the nursing research and explain the characteristics of good research. Third question, explain historical research in detail. These three questions are in essay session. Next, moving on to short notes. Fourth question, validity of an instrument. Fifth question, advantages and disadvantages of sampling. Sixth question, sources of hypothesis. Seventh question, characteristics of through experimental design. Eighth question, survey method. Ninth question, sources of problem selection. 10th question, define rating scale. 11th question, write meaning of Hawthorne effect. 12th question, list the advantages of interview method of data collection. 13th question, list the types of hypothesis. 14th question, define extraneous variable. Next, moving on to statistics, essay question. 15th question, explain scales of measurement. 16th question, explain the measures of central tendency. Short notes. 17th question, define average. Average means mean and mention the characteristics of good measure of an average. 18th question, duration of incubation of 10 SARS patients were 6, 13, 10, 7, 9, 10, 14, 12, 8 and 11 days respectively. Compute mean and median and mode for the given data. 19th question, define correlation coefficient and write the properties of correlation coefficient. 20th question, explain measures or important measures of dispersion. So next, moving on to brief answers. 21st question, define mode. 22nd question, list out properties of normal probability curve. 23rd question, define statistics. So this is June 2019 question paper. Next, moving on to June 2015 question paper. Part A, nursing research. Write an in essay, describe the experimental research design with suitable examples. Second question, define sampling and explain the methods of sampling. 13th question, explain the steps in formulation of research problem. Next, short notes. 4th question, characteristics of good research. 5th question, pilot study. 6th question, observation method. 7th question, steps of research process. 8th question, types of instruments. 9th question, utilization of research findings. Next is brief answers. 10th question, define research. 11th question, list any two purposes of review of literature. 12th question, define population. 13th question, enlist the types of hypothesis. 14th question, state any two data collection methods. Next, moving on to part B, statistics. Essay question. 15th question, use of statistics in nursing. 16th question, calculate the standard deviation for the given data. 29, 47, 38, 74, 65, 92, 56, 83, 101. Next, write short notes on any two of the following. 17th question, calculate mean and median for the following data. 1, 3, 7, 15, 5, 75. 18th question, chi-square test. 19th question, graphical representation of data. 20th question, testing of hypothesis. Next, moving on to brief answers. 21st question, write the properties of mean. 22nd question, parametric test. 23rd question, types of correlation. So this is June 2015 question paper. Next is June 2017 question paper. Part A, nursing research essay. First question, define nursing research and explain research process. Second question, explain sampling technique. Third question, explain qualitative research approach. Fourth question, short notes. Next, moving on to short notes. Fourth question, explain hypothesis. Fifth question, explain variability methods. Explain variability methods. Sixth question, survey method. Seventh question, assumption. Eighth question, pilot study. Ninth question, review of literature. Next, moving on to brief answers. 10th question, define quasi-experimental research. 11th question, define maturation. 12th question, enlist the advantages of reliability test. 13th question, list the advantages of interview method of data collection. 14th question, effect size. Part B is statistics. So here essay question, 15th question, measures of central tendency, 16th question, t-test. Next, short notes, write short notes on any two of the following. 17th question, levels of measurement. 18th question, standard deviation. 19th question, Cronbach's coefficient alpha. 20th question, use of statistics in nursing research. Next, moving on to brief answers. 21st question, define MANOVA. 22nd question, define skewness. 23rd question, enlist the types of pie chart. So this is June 2017 question paper. Next is November 2019 question paper. Part A, nursing research. Essay question, classify research design and explain any one research design with example. Second question, enumerate the data collection tools, explain interview method. Third question, define sampling, explain the types of sampling technique with suitable examples. Next, write short notes on any four of the following. Fourth question, pilot study. Fifth question, uses of computers in research. Sixth question, reliability. Seventh question, variables. Eighth question, role of nurses in research. Ninth question, research critique. Next, brief answers. 10th question, define hypothesis. 11th question, define Hawthorne effect. 12th question, define sampling bias. 13th question, list out the sources of literature review. 14th question, define rating scale. Next is part B, statistics. Essay question. 15th question, coefficient of correlation. 16th question, calculate the mean, median and mode and standard deviation of the given data. Number of cells. First I will tell cells. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequency under 0 to 20 it is 10, 20 to 40 it is 40, 40 to 60 it is 20, 60 to 80 is 15 and 80 to 100 is 15. Next, moving on to short notes. So short notes, 17th question, frequency distribution. 18th question, use of biostatistics. 19th question, graphical method of representation of data or presentation of data. 20th question, histogram. Brief answers. 21st question, define correlation. 22nd question, define standard deviation. 23rd question, mention any four common diagrams used in statistics. So this is November 2019 question paper. Next, November 2018 question paper. So, part A, nursing research, 50 marks. Essay question, explain the importance of research in nursing and explain research process. Second question, discuss in detail about the review of literature. Third question, enumerate the data collection method. Explain the interview method in detail. Next, moving on to short notes. Fourth question, probability sampling. Fifth question, validity and reliability. Sixth question, uses of computers in nursing research. Seventh question, writing research report. Eighth question, conceptual model in nursing research. Ninth question, survey method. Next, brief answers. List the advantages of observational method of data collection is your 10th question. 11th question is enumerate the types of variables. 12th question, list the advantages of survey research. 13th question, define hypothesis. 14th question, write 4 theories in nursing. Next, moving on to statistics, write an essay on any one of the following. 15th question, explain coefficient of correlation. 16th question, explain the frequency distribution. Short note. 17th question, uses of statistics in nursing. 18th question, what is the statistical package? 19th question, enumerate the types of analysis, that is data analysis. 20th question, explain mean, median and standard deviation. Next, moving on to brief answers. So brief answers. 10th question, list the advantages of observational method of data collection. 11th question, enumerate the types of variables. 12th question, list the advantages of survey research. 13th question, explain hypothesis. 14th question, write 4 theories in nursing. Next is part B, that is statistics, essay question. 15th question, explain coefficient of correlation. 16th question, explain the frequency distribution. Next, short notes. 17th question, uses of statistics in nursing. 18th question, what is statistical package? 19th question, enumerate the types of analysis. 20th question, explain mean, median and standard deviation. Next, brief answers. 21st question, define bar diagram. 22nd question, name 4 types of graph used. 23rd question, list the advantages of pie diagram. So this is November 2015 question paper. Next, moving on to June 2018 question paper. So under this essay question, first question, explain the purpose and methods of review of literature. Second question, define sampling and explain about types of probability sampling techniques. Third question, explain the sources of research problem and explain the criteria of a good research. Next, write short notes on any 4 of the following. Fourth question, reliability of an instrument. Fifth question, advantages and disadvantages of questionnaire. Sixth question, characteristics and classification of hypothesis. In nursing research essay question, first question is explain the purpose and methods of review of literature. Second question, define sampling and explain about the types of probability sampling technique. Third question, explain the sources of research problem and explain the criteria of a good research. Next, write short notes on any 4 of the following. Fourth question, reliability of an instrument. Fifth question, advantages and disadvantages of questionnaire. Sixth question, characteristics and classification of hypothesis. Seventh question, guidelines for writing research report. Eighth question, criteria for stating research objective. Ninth question, advantages and disadvantages of qualitative research methods. Next, brief answers. 10th question, define convenience sampling. 11th question, meaning of validity. 12th question, enumerate the importance of nursing research. 13th question, list the types of observation techniques. 14th question, define quasi-experimental research. Next, moving on to statistics essay question. 15th question, define standard deviation and compute the standard deviation for the following. Duration of hospital stay among 5 patients was 6, 4, 2, 3 and 5 days. 16th question, measures of correlation. Next, write short notes on any 2 of the following. 17th question, uses of statistics in research. 18th question, line and scatter diagram. 19th question, present the following data in a pie diagram. Hindu 31%, Christian 30%, Muslim 30%, others 9%. 20th question, frequency distribution of data. Next, write brief answers of the following. 21st question, define range. 22nd question, list the measures of central tendency. 23rd question, list the advantages of bar diagram. So this question paper is June 2018 question paper. Next question paper is November 2017 question paper. So nursing research, here it's 50 marks of essay question. Enumerate the data collection method, explain observation method. Second question, explain the steps in formulation of research problem. Third question, enumerate the experimental research and explain one group pre-test post-test method. Next, short notes. Fourth question, research report writing. Fifth question, utilization of research findings. Sixth question, errors of sampling. Seventh question, validity and reliability. Eighth question, assumption. Ninth question, characteristics of good research. Next, brief answers. 10th question, list the types of scientific research. 11th question, enumerate types of hypothesis. 12th question, list any 4 conceptual framework. 13th question, list the disadvantages of random sampling. 14th question, mention 4 types of non-experimental research. Next, part B, statistics question paper, 25 marks. Essay question is 15th, explain the normal probability curve. 16th question, explain coefficient and correlation. Next, write short notes on any 2 of the following. 17th question, uses of computer in statistics. 18th question, frequency distribution. 19th question, statistical package. 20th question, explain median and standard deviation. Next, moving on to brief answers. 21st question, name any 4 types of graph. 22nd question, formula for calculating mean. 23rd question, define pie diagram. So this is November 2018 question paper. Next is recent question paper, that is February 2022 question paper. Nursing research. Explain the steps. Essay question, explain the steps of research process. Second question, discuss the importance of research in nursing. Third question, enumerate the experimental research and explain one group pre-test post-test method. Next, short notes. Fourth question, need for research objectives. Fifth question, data sources. Sixth question, purpose of review of literature. Seventh question, probability sampling. Eighth question, pre-testing the data collection package. Ninth question, crossover research design. Next, 10th question, in short, brief answers. 10th question, define reliability. 11th question, define variable. 12th question, define limitations. 13th question, define data compilation. 14th question, define assumptions. Next, moving on to statistics. So in statistics, list the important measures of central tendency and explain any one of them. 16th question, compute Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient for the following data. Weight in kgs, cholesterol milligram per deciliter. So weight in kgs is 60, 70, 80, 90. Cholesterol in milligram per deciliter, for 60 it is 120 milligram per deciliter, for 70 it is 130 milligram per deciliter, for 80 kgs it is 140 milligram per deciliter, for 90 kgs it is 150 milligram per deciliter. 17th question, in short notes, types of tables. 18th question, bar diagram. 19th question, uses of statistics. 20th question, parametric tests. Next, brief answers. 21st question, define the degree of freedom. 22nd question, define frequency distribution. 23rd question, define dispersion. So this is February 2022 question paper. Next is February 2021 question paper. In February 2021 question paper, Part A, Nursing Research, essay session, Enumerate the purpose and methods of review of literature. Second question, explain the data collection methods, explain observation method. Third question, explain the characteristics of good research. Then fourth question, in short notes, need for nursing research. Fifth question, validity and reliability. Sixth question, Solomon 4 group design. Seventh question, difference between qualitative and quantitative research methods. Eighth question, survey method. Ninth question, communication of research findings. Next, brief answers. 10th question, differentiate between reliability and validity of tests. 11th question, define null hypothesis. 12th question, enumerate the types of sampling. 13th question, mention the purpose of qualitative research. 14th question, list any 4 conceptual framework. Next, moving on to statistics. 15th question, calculate the mean and standard deviation for the following cholesterol values: 200, 220, 240, 230, 280, 320, 250, 270. 16th question, what is statistics? Explain the importance of statistics in nursing. Next, write short notes on any two of the following: normal probability curve. 17th is normal probability curve. 18th, measures of central tendency. Write briefly. 19th question, chi-square test. 20th question, measures of correlation. Next, brief answers, define mean and mode. 21st question is define mean and mode. 22nd question, define paired t-test. 23rd question, define bar diagram. So this is his February 2021 question paper. This question paper here is missing. Thus we will see in nursing research what they have given. Essay, enumerate the data collection method, explain any one method in detail. Next, 1B, explain the importance of research in nursing and explain research process. 1C, discuss in detail about review of literature. Second question, A, survey method. Second question, B, characteristics of good research. Second question, C, probability sampling. Second question, D, utilization of research findings. Second question, E, uses of computers in research. Then second question, F, errors in sampling. Third question, write brief answers of the following. A question, any 4 conceptual framework. 3B, list the disadvantages of random sampling. 3C, enumerate types of hypothesis. 3D, enumerate the advantages of non-experimental research. 3E, mention the types of experimental research. Next, section B, statistics. Essay question 1A, explain normal probability curve. 1B, explain coefficient of correlation. Second question, write short notes, uses of statistics in nursing. Second B, frequency distribution. Second C, what is statistical package. Second D, explain median and standard deviation. It's not median, it is median. Next, third question, name any 4 types of graph, that is short notes. Next, 3B, how will you calculate mean, and 3C is define pi diagram. Next is November 2014 question paper, nursing research. Essay session, explain the characteristics of sampling and factors influencing sampling. Second question, what is data? Explain about data collection techniques. Third question, define nursing research and explain the need for nursing research. Next, short notes. Fourth question, review of literature. Fifth question, characteristics of good research problem. Sixth question, survey method. Seventh question, ethics in nursing research. Eighth question, pilot study. Ninth question, hypothesis. Next, brief answers. 10th question, mention the types of instruments. 11th question, list any 2 criteria for writing research articles. 13th question, define variable. 14th question, explain the types of non-experimental research. Next, moving on to statistics. 15th question, explain the normal probability curve. 16th question, calculate coefficient of correlation for the following data. That is, if x values are given as 10, 12, 18, 24 and 23. Y values are 13, 18, 12, 25, 30 and 10. Next, write short notes on any 2 of the following. 17th question, standard deviation. 18th question, statistical packages and its application. 19th question, measures of central tendency. 20th question, uses of computer in statistics. Next, moving on to brief answers. 21st question, advantages of pie chart. 22nd question, define histogram. 23rd question, write 4 properties of normal distribution. Next is November 2011 question paper. Nursing research and statistics. Explain the different types of sampling. Explain the different types of sampling methods and discuss in detail about stratified random sampling method with examples. Next is, what do you mean by research design, what it is needed for, and explain non-experimental research designs with examples. Next, third question, that is short notes, uses of research in nursing, various techniques of data collection, comparing directional and non-directional hypothesis with examples, that is 3C. 3D is pilot study. 3E is review of literature. Next, moving on to statistics, explain statistical packages and its application in nursing. Calculate the standard deviation for the given data, class interval and frequency they have given. First I will tell class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequency 0 to 10, it is 8. 10 to 20, it is 10. 20 to 30, it is 5. 30 to 40, it is 7. 40 to 50, it is 6. Then 50 to 60, it is 4. Next is C question, frequency distribution. D question, explain the central tendency measures. So one thing I have to correct it. In third question in nursing research, 3B is projective techniques of data collection. It is not various techniques of data collection. It is projective techniques of data collection. Just correct it. Next is November 2010 question paper. Nursing research. 1A. What is research problem? 1B. How do you select a research problem for research? How do you select a problem for research? 1C. Explain the characteristics of research problem. Second question, describe the principles and techniques of data collection and list the advantages of these techniques. 13th question, third question, short notes, conceptual framework, types of sampling, describe the sources of review of literature, role of research in nursing. Next, moving on to statistics, uses of statistics in nursing. 4A, 4B is frequency distribution. 4C, explain chi-square, calculate chi-square values for the following data. 0 to 10, 0 to 15. So your E value is 20, your E value is 25 in 0 to 15. Next, D question, explain central tendency. So this is your November 2010 question paper. Hope this video is clear for you all. I can accept that many question papers, some of the question papers are not legible for you. I strongly apologize for the inconvenience caused for you. But I have taken my maximum effort to collect these question papers and to put it as a video for the benefit of the students. Since, as I have told earlier, since some question papers are not legible only, I have read each and every question. So kindly watch the video fully and support to my channel. Already I have posted many videos with regard to nursing question papers as well as nursing subjects. You can watch our channel playlist for more videos. We have posted separate videos for statistics and nursing research also. You can watch our channel playlist if you want to get benefited. We have posted as per Indian Nursing Council syllabus. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.